Platform's clear.
Now prepare to enjoy the power and speed of the mythical Griffon.
All right. It's Hudson from That Coaster Geek. We're on Griffon here in the 3rd row. This is my favorite ride in the park. I just had the most fun on it, you know? We are currently about to climb up 205 feet. You get to see the entire park from here. It's amazing. You get amazing at the top. It's looking really fast. Maybe you can see. It's awesome. We're already at the top, basically. So the 3rd row is awesome because you get really whipped over that first drop. It's amazing. All right. Here we go. So pretty. See everything. All right, here we go, guys. Look at that. Okay. Here we go. It's gonna hold us. Whoa! All right, we still got one more drop. It's so good. I could ride this thing all day. It's amazing. I love it.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your ride.
I did.
At this time, please unbuckle your seatbelt. Once
all right.
again,
I might have to go again.
Unbuckle your seatbelt.